So today we are testing 100 kilowatt 125 kVA generator. This project is for Bangladesh Navy floating crane. Both the generators will be fitted on board a floating crane of Bangladesh Navy.
My department, the Marine Project Department, has been created 2 years ago to answer our customer needs from the offer to the delivery. And within that creation, we have implemented a new service, which is the FAT service, from which we support our customers during that particular moment. For instance, questions on the protocols, questions on the business, questions on the applications. And we also support them before the FAT to make sure that they have in their hands all the elements they will face during the FAT.
Yeah, from the very beginning, what I have seen that all the personnel of Budwin is very professional. They have provided all the support as per the contract. They have a very modern test bench where we can see all the parameters as per the contract written there. So the support we received from Budwin is incredible.
Basically, we test all the marine engine Baudouin, from the little one to the biggest one. Well, we test standard parameters, but we are also able here to test the IACS parameters based on the IACS protocols. So, for example, fuel parameters, fuel consumption, fuel alarms, exhaust temperatures, pressure sensors, torque, speed, and so on and so on. And recently, we have implemented a new test bench. Since now 2 months, we are able to test the newest range we have, which is above 3 megawatt engines.
We have enjoyed a lot, and the Budwin personnel told us the story behind the Budwin, and also they have shown us their various engines and various projects. So it was incredible.